Sometimes for my snack, I crave one of my favorite types of cookie, which is my triple chocolate cookie. It has a lot of nuts and a lot of chocolate. I think I need a glass of milk to wash it all down. Delicious. Before I get started, I'm gonna wash my hands. The one thing about these cookies that I like so much is that they're gluten-free and really, really good. Just imagine biting into a warm, gooey, chocolate cookie. Delicious, I know. But my granny always told me that whenever you're baking, that you should always cream your butter and sugar. So I do as I'm told. Let's get started with creaming the butter and sugar before I get spanked. I'm about to add in 2 sticks of room temperature salted butter. There you go. 3/4 cup of light brown sugar for fudginess. There you go. And 3/4 cup of pure cane sugar, extra fine, just like me. I'm about to cream my butter and sugar for 2 minutes until it's creamy. My 2 minutes is up, and this is how your butter and sugar should look. See how nice and smooth and creamy it is? That's the way you want it. And it doesn't matter if you're baking cakes or cookies, you always have to start off with creaming your butter and sugar. But I'm about to add in the other ingredients now. I'm about to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 organic eggs from my farm outside. 1/2 cup of melted milk chocolate. I love this stuff. Eat it by the spoonful every day. Just plain. And you go. I'm about to let this baby mix just until it's incorporated about 30 seconds. I mean, don't go too crazy with it, you know. So let it mix. I just got done with scraping down my bowl and everything looked good to go. But I think that it's time that I take you into a land of the dry ingredients. I have 2 cups of oat flour. Now you can buy oat flour at your grocery store, but if you want to make it, all you have to do is get some gluten-free oats, a blender, and let it go until you get oat flour, like this, like I did. I'm about to add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 2 heaping tablespoons of dark Dutch cocoa powder. I make sure I keep this in my pantry all the time because whenever I want to make that Matilda cake and eat the whole cake with a glass of milk, it's there. So in you go. I'm about to give it a nice little stir. Love that sound. And I'm about to add it to my chocolate cream butter mix. Hopefully I don't make a mess. I'm gonna mix this on a very low speed. I don't want to get all that oat flour in my face. And I'm gonna scrape down the bowl too. My cookie dough is almost complete, but it's not. I gotta add in 3 more ingredients. I'm about to add in my little chocolate mix. I have 1 cup of milk chocolate and 1 cup of dark chocolate. I told you, a lot of chocolate. There you go. And I'm about to add in 1.5 cups of pecans. You could do pecans, almonds, macadamia nuts. Whatever nut you want to use, you could use it. So I'm about to add it in now. You know, it's been said that these cookies have been known to make the world go around. That's a good cookie, ain't it? I know. I'm about to let this mix just until it's incorporated about, I say 5 or 10 seconds. But don't go crazy with it, like I said before. Man, look at this chocolate beauty. My cookie dough is complete. But I'm about to scoop my cookie dough out on my sheet tray where I spray with non-stick spray by using my ice cream scoop, because each cookie is going to cook the same and be the same size. Look at that, beautiful. So let's get scooping. Okay, I just got done with scooping my last cookie. They beautiful, ain't they? I know. These cookies need 10 minutes in the oven and cook at 350 degrees. If you want a more harder cookie, cook it for about 12 minutes. But I want a nice gooey cookie. My triple chocolate cookie looks amazing and it smells really good. But I'm about to show you how I eat it. I take a cookie like so and I just break it in half. Look at that, oh, so gooey. And I just slowly insert it in the milk, and just like this, so the cookie can suck up all of the milk. And I just, oh, it's so good. So nutty, nice and chocolatey. Give this cookie recipe a try. I'm gonna keep on eating these cookies. They're off the chain. If you want to continue to watch my cooking show, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. You can even tweet me if you want to. See you next time on My Personal Chef. Peace.